For over 25 years, CONNSTEP has been the trusted partner for small to medium-sized Connecticut manufacturers, boosting productivity, profitability, and competitiveness. Our expert team with decades of manufacturing experience understands the challenges faced by manufacturers today. Starting with a personalized discovery meeting, we tailor strategic solutions to bridge the gap between your current state and future vision. From C-level executives to the shop floor, CONNSTEP provides customized consulting and training solutions in supply chain management, technology adoption, workforce development, business growth, continuous improvement, cybersecurity, human resources, environmental health and safety, and more. In addition, CONNSTEP is part of a national network of manufacturing extension partnership MEP centers, all with the mission to help domestic manufacturers thrive. Supported by the Connecticut Office of Manufacturing and partially funded by the U.S. Department of Commerce and the state of Connecticut, we bring you the strength and resources of a nationwide network. Don't just take our word for it. See what CONNSTEP clients are saying. Let CONNSTEP be the catalyst for taking your business to the next level. Contact us today and let's drive growth and success together. CONNSTEP, your trusted advisor for manufacturing excellence.